Good day to you all. Um, this video is to show you how to check your admob account in case you don't know. So you check your admob accounts for the balance, the total clicks you are having, the CTR, the CPC rate. So let's continue. Go to your browser. Please always use incognito browser. Go to App Store and download incognito browser. So on the address bar, write adsense.com. It's loading. So adsense.com. This is where you see the total clicks you have. It also contains your earnings history. So the CTR. So that's it. So you click here, click on sign in. You enter your details, your Gmail address. So okay. So I'm using an account that I created for tutorial purposes. This is not my main account. This one is just for tutorial purposes. It's loading now. Wait for it to load. It's loading now. It's loading. And please, this is very important. Always check your accounts maximum 3 times daily, but the best is just 2 times, maybe in the morning and the evening. So now this my account. As you can see, my estimated earnings on this account, my demo account, today so far I've earned $2.73. Yesterday you can see how much I've earned. The last 7 days how much I earned. This month in total 2.87. Now for you, now at the balance you can see there is nothing in the balance. It's only the total of each month that you'll be seeing in the balance. Now at the end of this month, maybe I realize $100. The $100 will be transferred to the balance at the end of the month. Then we now start the next month in fresh. That's how it is done. So now for you to know your performance, you can see performance here. You can see the performance of the last 7 days versus previous 7 days. So for you to know the day performance, click on it, or other days performance, click on it. You can see today so far, yesterday versus, and so. So you want to see your today's performance, click on today. Click on today so far. It's loading. The network is bad there. Oh, the network is bad. Let me refresh. Yes, as you can see today I have 3 clicks. Under the clicks I have 3 clicks. CPC 91, CPC 0.91. That is how much I've been given for each click. As you can see, each click 1.91. That means 2 clicks I get more than $1. It's only 3 clicks gave me $2.73. You can see the benefit of it now. Only 3 clicks gave me $2.73. Imagine if I have close to 20 clicks. How much I will realize today? So that's simple. The page CTR means how how closely the clicks are. Please and please, if your page CTR is over 1.0%, contact me. It is very dangerous. Your CTR must not be more than 1%. It's still okay now since my CPC is 0.69%. So thank you very much. As you can see, that's what I want to show us. Thank you. God bless.